This, like putting that.
Did that this winter.
Did you? Yeah.
I was the first one to get this kit out of Russia.
Where's Da Vinci?
How was this? Like putting that.
Did that this winter.
Did you? Yeah.
I was the first one to get this kit out of Russia.
Yeah.
It's actually a sponsorship.
Now those rims, did they come with that also? Or you put some like spacers on that?
No, they're just on there.
Really?
13 inches wide in the rear and 12 in the front.
Oh.
Stuck with me for life now.
I love the rims. The rims are amazing.
Oh, thanks. Custom order from BC Forge.
Just the dish on them, man.
Yeah.
They're clean.
Oh,
325.
325
Yeah.
in there.
Like 22 by 13.
What kind of system is in there?
It's airlift.
Is it an airlift?
Yeah.
It's an 09?
Fuck yeah.
Timeless. How much work would you say you put into this, like, money-wise?
I don't even know. Like, I don't keep track.
No, you just keep building
It's
it?
been over 10 years. I bought it in 2012.
2012? Yeah, okay.
It was my daily for 4 years.
Yeah.
And just started modding it.
It sounds like quite the journey. Like
Yeah.
Can you tell me about the doors? Like, I've never seen those kind of doors before.
I did those 2 winters ago.
Okay.
So it's like full custom, right? Like
Full custom.
yeah, it's not like Lambo doors.
You can't order it. Right?
No. It's like
Okay.
the Lambo doors you buy a kit, right?
Yeah.
You just slap them on your doors over.
Yeah, the doors. See, right?